All right, what do you say, folks? It's Friday morning, last trading day of the week. We've got a lot going on. So we had the big February jobs report just hit the wire, much stronger than expected. They were expecting a 440,000 jobs created for the month of February, actually came in at 678,000. Unemployment rate ticked down to 3.8%. Very, very strong number. Shows this economy continues to press forward. So now you've got that strong report competing with the geopolitical events with Russia and Ukraine. And we've got a bit of a battle because this is the last jobs report before the Fed's next meeting, and inflation's still a thing, right? So expectation is after Jerome Powell spoke this week, they're going to raise rates by 25 basis points. This strong report begs the question, do they get more aggressive with those rate hikes? So what are we seeing as a result? Markets were down in a big way. We're still down, although we're coming up off the lows. Dow Jones futures are off just shy of 300 points. S&Ps are off 35. NASDAQ futures are down about 100. So that's about a 0.75% move lower this morning as we head into that pre-market open. The big mover this morning, though, however, is jump over to FX. FX has just been nuts this morning. Significant dollar strength across the board. Look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar's now got a 1.08 handle on it. That's about a 1.5% move. Pound dollar, just the sterling, you name it. Dollar strength across the board off the back of this report. Also, oil up another 4% this morning, up at 111. It's $111 in WTI. So a lot of price action, a lot going on this Friday. Let's get after it. Everybody have a great weekend. Finish the week strong. I'll see you again on Monday.